So on a Hyundai Tucson, a lot of Hyundais, there's a glove box cooler. So what happens, so in through here you have a little adjustment here. Sorry, apologies, it's actually after getting a bit dark. So what you do is you open that to blow air out through here, or you close it to stop the air coming out. Anyway, in this case we're going to open it. So what happens, that always blows cold air. So regardless of whether you have a high temperature on, so in this case, well actually what happens technically is if it's on a low temperature, you get, a moderate amount of cold air coming out because there's already cold air in the cabin. The glove box doesn't tend to be really a whole lot warmer. However, if you decide, right, I'm going to have a really warm cabin, this continues to blow cold air. So warm cabin, this will continue to blow cold air, and ironically it'll actually blow even more cold air to compensate for the extra heat that's now coming into the cabin. So just for anyone, if they want to know how to use in a Hyundai, a lot of Hyundais will have this, a cool box in through there. So regardless of what temperature's here, it's always going to blow cold air. If you have cold temperature here, cold air there. If you have warm temperature here, even more cold air coming out through there to keep that cool. Anyway, hopefully that's useful. Thanks for watching.